Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna do some shader or glossy effect tutorial in CapCut. So first, I'm going to click on new project and I'm going to add a video. For example, I want to add this video. Click on add, and here at the video, just click on the effects and then choose video effects, and then go to comic and search for the B&W sketch. This one's right here. Click on a check icon and adjust the effects until the end of the video like this. I'm going to delete the ending, and then next go back and then click on the effects and video effects again, and now find the basic category, this one's right here, and find the blur effects. Okay, I'm going to find, okay, so this one's right here, and then click on a check icon and adjust it again until the end of the video, and after that just export the video. Okay, so just wait for the result to come out. I'm going to skip this part. Okay, now so the video has been exported. You can just go back, just click on the arrow here to go back, and then delete the effects that you've added before. Okay, so like this, and after that click on overlay and add overlay and add the video that you've exported before, so this one's right here, and adjust the size so it fits into the video like so. Okay, so like this ones, and after that go to splice and choose burn and adjust it to like 50. Okay, click on a check icon. Let's just go back and then click on overlay again, and then click on add overlay and choose the original video that you've not add effects before, so this one's right here. Adjust it until it fits the format of the video, and after that click on the overlay right here and then click on edit, and then crop, click on crop and just crop it until it's go like this, it fits into like this, and then click on a check icon and then rotate into 180 degrees like this, and don't forget to mirror it. After that just drag it until the bottom of the video like this, so it become like a reflections of the object in the video like this. After that just go back and then go to splice and adjust it like so that it looks like a reflections like so. I think that is enough, and click on a check icon, and here is the result. Okay, so that's basically how you can add shader or glossy effect tutorial in CapCut. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you get any question, feel free to drop them in a comment. Don't forget to like and also subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you all in the next video. Bye bye.